Hi, I'm Jamie and Mark from Red Duchess Farm.
And we've been tagged in another collaboration. It's a 5-question garden collaboration. We were tagged by Lee and Teresa at Stringfield Ridge. They were tagged by Okie Rob, and I think it goes back a little further than that. It may have been started by Pratt's Greenhouse. And but first, I've got a little cheat sheet here. I want to give a little channel update. We're going to try to be putting out videos 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. They should come out around 5 a.m. and there may be an extra video thrown in here and there. But right now with greenhouse season, it's so busy around here that probably 3 times a week is what we really need to shoot for. And you all may be getting tired of greenhouse videos, but it's 7 days a week out here right now, and since we're here 7 days a week all day long, there's not much opportunity to shoot a lot of other content. We do have some other stuff coming up. We've got a milker for the cow, so we need to do a milker video. Coming up here in the spring, there'll be alpaca shearing, and we can do some videos on fiber preparation and weaving and spinning and felting and all of those sorts of things that Jamie does. Gardening videos coming up, canning, cooking, do some preparedness videos probably in the future. We're going to the Deep South gathering in Wiggins in about a week and a half, and so I'm sure there'll be some video from down there that will make it onto our channel. And so that's just a little bit of an update on what we have going on here. And so leave a comment, give us some input, what you'd like to see us do, and we'll see what we can get done. The 5-question gardening collaboration. The first question is, why do you garden?
We have always gardened. Like we said before in an earlier video, we both grew up gardening and canning. I know as far as where I lived, that's all we had for food as far as vegetables. You didn't go to the grocery store and buy your vegetables. You grew everything, stored it. So it just is natural, and I like the food a whole lot better.
Pretty much the same thing here. I grew up in a family where Mom always gardened big and canned a lot. Both of my grandmothers did also. In more recent years, I think probably one of the big reasons to keep gardening bigger and bigger every year is the quality of the food supply in this country. You just don't know what you're buying.
Too many chemicals.
There's too many chemicals used. Too much stuff that you buy in the store that you don't know if it's real. I mean, there's fake honey out there and fake olive oil, and Lord only knows what else is fake in the grocery store. So the less of that we can buy, and what we do buy, we try to buy organic, and sometimes you have to scratch your head and really wonder whether that's really organic or not. Second question is, why do we YouTube? And we have answered that in our previous collaboration video, and you can go check that out. If I can figure out how to put a link to it on this video, I will. And question number 3, how long have we been gardening? I think we pretty well touched on that. I mean, we've been gardening all of our lives in a pretty big way. And
Many years.
Yep. Yep. And the next one, what do we grow?
Big question is, what don't we grow?
Yeah. That was a comment that's been made on several homesteading videos I've seen, that it would be easier to answer what we don't grow. We grow all the standard stuff: corn, beans, tomatoes, and when I say beans, I'm talking horticulture beans, pinto beans, great northern beans, kidney beans, green beans, pole beans for green beans, other legumes, black-eyed peas and cowpeas and and all of that stuff.
Peanuts?
Peanuts in the legume family, we grow some. We grow sorghum, we grow field corn, and all of the other garden stuff. I mean, squash and
Okra.
okra is, yeah, we really like okra. We're trying a new okra this year, Star of David. We've always grown Clemson spineless. Danny and Wanda at Deep South grow some Star of David. So we're going to give that a try. Going to try some yellow zucchini this year, which we've never tried, which that is a hybrid. We don't do much in hybrids. Most of what we grow is heirloom, but we do some hybrids. The hybrids just seem to produce better, especially in like the tomatoes and some of that kind of stuff. We do pumpkins, we do watermelon, cantaloupe, we do beets and then all the small stuff, radishes and lettuce and cabbage and kale and broccoli and cauliflower and all of those things, cucumbers.
And the note about the corn is we do sweet corn to eat, but then we also do a bunch of a non-GMO field corn that we have a one-row corn picker and we pick it, and it's saved back for in case we need it for livestock feed of any kind. Most of our animals don't eat a lot of corn, but at the same time it's there and it's good and it doesn't have all this stuff in it, so it's better for them to eat it. So we do grow a lot of that.
And the last question is, what is our favorite thing to grow?
This time of the year is not the time of year to ask that question. I don't want to grow anything.
Probably the thing that we put up the most and whatever is we plant about 100 tomatoes, and I would say tomatoes, and then the leafy greens for salad, and those would probably be my favorite thing and most used thing to grow.
Strawberries, they grow themselves.
Yeah, yeah. And we didn't even hit on that on what we do grow. We've got fruit trees and strawberries and gooseberries and blackberries and blueberries and those sorts of things in the on the farm, as well as a pretty good selection of herbs that we grow.
That's probably my favorite right there to grow. I like growing the herbs. I've got a big herb bed that's got a big mix, and I like doing the other garden stuff too. But I think I really like doing my herbs.
And that's the 5 questions on the collaboration. So our next video coming up will be the collaboration video that Liz Zorab from the UK and Wanda at Deep South Homestead put together, and it's a worldwide collaboration. 15 questions about your homestead, location, what we grow. So some of this will be duplicated in that video, and so this video should be up on Friday, March 2nd, and then the 15 question collaboration video will be up on Monday after that. Thanks for watching from Red Dutch's Farm.